If you're a solar company looking for the best way to generate qualified leads consistently, grow your sales, and ultimately scale, then you've come to the right video. I'm going to be showing you our exact process for how I go about building out a Facebook ads campaign for any type of solar business, whether that's solar installation for residential, commercial, solar lighting solutions, or whatever type of solar solution that you have. The absolute best way to run Facebook ads completely step by step, so you can just follow along and implement the steps and start to see immediate results. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Blake Bauer, and I've been making YouTube videos on how to run paid ads on Facebook and Google Ads for years. And you can check out our agency right here where we do lead generation for solar companies completely done for you. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below where you can apply to work with me and my team. The best place to start when it comes to a successful ad campaign is to do your research, see what's working, and don't think that your idea of a really good ad is what's ultimately going to be the best possible performing ad. So what I would recommend is going ahead and jumping into your local industry, right? And so you can just search for your country right here. You can go United States, all ads right here. And this is at the Facebook ad library. So if you just go to Google and search up Facebook ad library, it's going to open up this page right here. And what you can do is go into your specific country right here. You can look at ads from competitors and other advertisers that are currently running offers and what ads that they're currently running. That's what's going to give you the best idea to get the juices flowing of some ideas of types of ads that you can run and also types of offers that you can run. Right? Solar, like any business, is going to be competitive, and there's going to be, offers that are really going to get the average person a lot more interested and ready to buy versus offers that are weaker or really have no urgency to them. And so that's just a basic principle of marketing, right? The best offer typically wins. And so we want to be seeing what offers are out there, what offers do we like and we think are motivating, and what are, weaker offers or ads that probably aren't performing that well. So I'm going to go here and go to the Facebook ad library. I'm going to search for solar installation. And I'm going to see what comes up here just to start to get some ideas around what offers are being ran and what are some competitors that we could drill in on further based on what we see here. So we can see tons of different examples right here. All of these are solar related. And so yellow light, ditch high power bills and power outages. So I like this ad. I think that ad looks pretty good. Just open this one up here. So yeah, pretty interesting ad right here. Has their brand name, don't let power outages disrupt your life, limited time offer, get an additional 10-year warranty, $0 down, lifetime savings up to $100,000, 24/7 power security. Contact our solar experts now. So I like this ad overall. It's pretty simple, and they do have a decently good offer there. $0 down, lifetime savings up to 100K, right? So that's kind of giving you an idea of the best ads, right? Have that element of an offer. They have a really clear action for the user to take, and so you can kind of compare that to some of these other ones that are all kind of doing similar things right here. This one is also $0 down, pay $0 for 18 months, claim your $2,500. So that one I would say is a bit more cluttered, a bit more complicated, but we'll get you a free solar quote today, claim $2,500 by the same company right there. So I like that, a $0 quote, potentially. You have the power bill cruncher, $0 solar panel and installation, $0 solar payments, not a loan, not a lease or lien, covers 100% of your home's usage. Yeah, so this is interesting right here as well. So I think we've kind of seen enough ads here to kind of get a good idea. I also like this one, $0 installation today, 30 to 40% electricity bill reduction tomorrow. So I think, for solar, right, and we've ran solar ads, the biggest thing with solar is people want to pay $0 down. So it's a relatively cheap switching cost because you're able to really, get into it. It's affordable. And then over the lifetime of owning solar, you're going to be saving money. So people really are looking at it as an investment and they're going to really feel that cost savings. And so you want to emphasize both of those things with our offer. So when it comes to actually developing our first batch of ads, before we ever even get into the ad account, what we want to be doing right here is just researching how we should structure our offer. And then with this, we can also develop our ad copy and then develop our ads all using AI, which is honestly the best method that I found. And if you're a beginner, you probably don't want to get into graphic design and all that. And so I'd recommend using AI with that offer framework to develop some really amazing ads, especially for solar. So for this, what we're going to be doing is plugging in essentially a little bit of description about our solar offer, what we think that we want to do, and then we're going to get some suggestions around what our offer should be. And you can do this for your solar company, or you can use this, as kind of a guide for yourself to get ideas around what your offer should be. So this is going to be the initial prompt that I'm using. Give me an offer that's compelling to use my Facebook ads, $0 down, urgency, include some bonuses as well. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with here. Okay, so and with this, we now have different offers that ChatGPT has given us and also the ad copy to go with it with a breakdown right here. So go solar with $0 down, limited time bonus package as well. And so with this, we get switch to solar for $0 down, limited time bonuses for a limited time. You get a free energy audit and custom solar design, free smart thermostat upgrade, and a $500 utility bill rebate after installation. So you'd want to see if this obviously works for your solar business, but that's an example of one offer. I asked it to give me 5 more examples as well that all relate to that. And so we have $0 down plus lock in today's low energy rate before utility hike. So this is an example of another with the ad copy to go along with it. $1,000 down plus a $1,000 bill credit bonus. So that's, again, another really good offer there. And then we have free smart home upgrade bundle, $700.50 value. And then we have $0 down, plus we cover first 12 months of payments, plus refer a neighbor $500 bonus. So a few different examples here. Could definitely make this a lot more compelling, but I think we can definitely get started with one of these to start developing our ad creatives that we're going to be actually running our Facebook ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this one right here, and this is the offer that we're going to be using in this case and the copy that we're going to be using. And what I'm going to do now is plug this into a ChatGPT extension, which is under the custom GPTs. I'm going to go to the Sora video prompter. So I'm going to search for Sora video. I'm going to go Sora video prompter. I'm going to start a chat right here. Okay, and this is going to open this up. And so essentially what we're doing right here is we're going to prompt it with our offer. We're going to get from that a bunch of different prompts that we can then put into Sora, and that's going to generate our ad creatives 100% using AI for free. I mean, I think you need to have maybe a ChatGPT subscription to fully take advantage of this feature, but this is going to take literally 10 minutes, and we're going to have a ton of different ad creatives, and we can continue to do this to generate hundreds and hundreds of ad creatives. I have another video on the channel that covers Sora and exactly generating this process in more detail. So I'm just going to glance through it, but you can check out that video on my channel if you're interested in learning more about this process. Okay, so I now have the prompt in here, and so I'm going to prompt this, and it's going to give me prompts that I can literally put into ChatGPT Sora to get ad creatives virtually on autopilot. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so it's still generating. We're going to get 10 different ad creatives out of this, and then we can essentially go right over to Sora right here. I'm going to open this in a new tab, paste this in, and that'll generate us new ad creatives. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to go to Sora right here. I'm going to paste this in. I want to make sure this is on image 1 by 1 and 2 images total right here. I'm going to go make sure all text fits into 1 by 1 aspect ratio. Then we're going to paste that. Go to my media there, and then we can see this is generating right here. And then we can also go ahead and paste in this one. Boom, and just like that, we uploaded a bunch of these different prompts into Sora right here. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different really good ads with our offer. Just unique angles, right? We have a family right here. We have a utility bill and kind of like a different graphic that's really attention grabbing. We have a before and after. And then we have another kind of cartoonish variation right here. So what I would do with this now is just download each of these that I think is good. Let's download this, download that. And now what we can do is actually go over into our ad account here and set up our Facebook ads. And so this is the best process for actually setting up your Facebook ads to get the best results. I'm talking generating tons of qualified leads at the cheapest cost per lead, and then you can move and pre-qualify those leads and get booked calls immediately following submitting that lead form application. So let's go ahead and go to create right here, and we're going to create our first campaign. So we're going to go ahead and select leads as the objective right here. We're going to go and click on continue. Okay, so from here, what we want to do is just name this, whatever, Solar V1. Just going to put my company's name right here. Then we're going to change this to campaign budget. I typically run this at about $100 per day. It's the best kind of budget to typically get started with, but you can go more, $200, $300, $400, $500 per day. But if you just want to get started to kind of dip your toes in, $100 per day, can't go wrong with that. So from there, all these other settings are fine. We're going to go optimize for the highest volume right here. And then what we're going to be using at the ad set level is an instant form. So I'm going to change this to just instant form, solar. And so That's the conversion location. We're going to be using Facebook's native built-in feature to create a form that's going to automatically capture their lead information. And then from there, we can route them to a page on our website where we can collect more information or get them to book a call or book a demo. But it's kind of on us and on our sales team or on your sales team to contact that lead once you get their information and you kind of filter out that they're qualified and in your area. So we're going to go instant form, select your page. We're going to go maximize the number of leads right here. Then we're going to go down into the audience controls right here. And the biggest one that you want to adjust right here, honestly, besides all the other ones for solar, is just get the location right. Get, a pinned location around the area that you are serving. So whatever city you're in, if you have like an office or you have a particular location that you're kind of in within your city, then what I would recommend doing is just, let's say you're in Houston. Okay, so I'm going to go Houston, Texas, this city right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in. What I would do is just go into here. I'm going to remove Canada. And then what I would do is open this up right here. And you can see I have Houston right here. And it's covering all of Houston. And so if you're kind of closer to, let's say, like Baytown, what we can do is go ahead and drop a pin right here. Okay, so let's say we want to go like right here at Baytown, kind of like right in the heart of the city there. What we can do is just drop that pin there. We can remove Houston. And then what we can do is we can expand this to maybe 15 miles. So that would kind of cover all of that region right there. Maybe we want to go a little bit more than that. I think that could definitely be bigger. Let's go 25. And so that's what it looks like now. We're kind of covering all of the east side of Houston. And so we have that kind of pinned down and we know that covers that entire area. And so you can see we have about 1.4 to 1.6 million people in that area. And so we don't need to worry about getting super granular beyond that with like interest targeting and things like that. Your ad creative will do the targeting for you. The only thing that you need to worry about is your age range. And so I would recommend going to the age right here and just adjusting this age range to be something that you know is going to work. I currently have on so that it's a minimum of 25. So I'd recommend turning that on so it's a minimum of 25 or older. And so you can go 25. Maybe you want to go all the way up to 32, right? So right here, actually, I have the minimum age set to 25, like I said. And then from here, what we can do is open this up right here. And then we can include our suggestions right here, which is I'm going to go, let's just say 35 all the way up to about 60, I think is a good range here. Maybe even 64 or maybe even 65 plus. You might even want to do that, honestly. So I would say this is kind of a good range for solar. Within somewhat of this range, right? You have to be a homeowner, obviously, and you want to make sure that minimum age is there. You can also further limit the reach. So if you switch to this type of setup right here, then you can use this as the exact age range. So instead of making this a suggestion, right, and 25 being the minimum, you can make this so that it's only 35 to, let's just say, 60-year-olds, and that could be your kind of target market based on what you found, who you typically sell to. You can see that's limiting the reach of your ads total, but obviously you're going to get homeowners within there. And then for the custom audiences for the genders, I honestly wouldn't even change any of this stuff. I wouldn't do any detailed targeting. I would just let this run and Facebook will find your customer for you. Now, coming down to the ads level, this is where it gets interesting. What we can do here is just go ahead and name this, let's just say ad 1. Then from here, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we can go ahead and scroll down to here and we can add in our ad creative right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go upload. Now I'm going to upload that ad creative that we just got. So I'm going to go original, next. Add in our primary text. So that's where we can go back to ChatGPT here. We can go to our offer right here and the copy that we liked the most, which was this one. So we can go ahead and copy that. Paste that into our primary text, and then we can add in the headline, which is, all right, something like get solar installed. Or let's say get a free solar quote plus $0 down. Get a free, let's say $0 down solar quote as the headline right there. And we can leave the description, and then we can do this as get quote, and we can go next. Then we can go skip and continue right here. Make sure all these enhancements are off. Go done. And there we go. We have our ad now. So we have the ad copy in there. Okay, and then we have our actual headline. Now all that we need to do is just create the form right here. I already have a couple of different forms created right here, but if you don't have a form, just go ahead and click on create form. And then from here, what we're going to be doing is naming this solar. We're going to optimize for the most volume. We are going to go turn this off right here. We're going to go require leads to verify their phone number. So from there, we're going to go next. So the headline here, we just want to do our offer. So again, get a free $0 down solar installation quote. Then we're going to add in our description. So again, just add in your description around that actual offer right there. And then we have our email, phone number, or full name and phone number. So that's good for us. You can also add in additional contact details around their street address. That's probably something that you want to also add in there so we can get their street address as well. And we know that we're targeting in that location, so we should all be good there. And the last thing we want to add in is some conditional logic as well around just validating that they are the correct type of person that we want to be speaking to. So are you a home owner in the Houston area? And then you just go yes and no. And if they say no, we want to essentially close the form. If they say yes, we want to go ahead and submit the form. So E1 for leads essentially. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then we'll get their information. From there, we're going to go next right here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in our privacy policy. So you want to paste in your privacy policy. And then we're going to have our review screen. So we can go here to end page for leads. So this is going to be if they submit that lead form. What I would say from here is that you want to go something like attention or important final step. And then what you can do here is direct them to book in a call with you or to the next step that they can do automatically. And if not, then we can manually follow up with them, but we're trying to get them to automatically take that next step for us. So please click the link below to schedule your free quote. Okay, and then essentially what we can do is just link to wherever we're going to send them to get that free quote on your website for your solar. And they're going to go ahead and click that, and then we can just do on this right here, get free quote. And so that's what this page is going to look like right here, get free quotes. And then click that, go to their website, and you can do they will complete the next step of your process right there. And then if not, we can just send them to our website right here and just say, hey, you're not a fit for our services right now because they're not a homeowner. And so we can remove them from that. And from there, we can just go ahead and create this form. And then that's where we're going to be sending our leads. Boom. And so when we're all done, this is what our ad is going to look like. We have our ad, we have our copy, we have our creative, we have the form that we're sending these leads to right here. You can click on next, right, and see all of this stuff right here. And with that, what we can do with this is we can easily go ahead and duplicate this. And again, we created like 10 different ads for solar right there. So we can test all of those different ones. I might even create more. I think maybe like, 14, 15. So what we can do is just delete this, go ahead and go add image, upload. Let's upload this next creative that we have right here. Let's go next. Yeah, original, all that's good. Skip and continue. Make sure we just turn that off. Done. And boom. So now we have another ad with a different creative. Everything else is the exact same. And then we can go ahead and run this and all the other ads, again, that we created in Sora right here, that we can go ahead and run and test as well and continue to pump out new ad creatives using ChatGPT to get more and more prompts. And then all we got to do is just go ahead and publish this ad and we're good to go. And so that is exactly how I'd go about running Facebook ads for solar to generate a ton of leads, and honestly more leads than you can even handle, and scale your business like never before. Now again, I run a digital advertising agency called Jet Ads, so if you found this a little bit overwhelming and you want to get more help on having us do this for you, then I recommend checking out the link in the description, click on our agency and go explore that a little bit further and apply to work with our team. Be happy to see how we can do this for you and what the costs look like to get started. And if you did enjoy the video, also make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment if you did have any questions about the video. And if you're looking for more helpful videos around Facebook ads and even Google ads, I recommend you check out this video next.